Hi, my name is Ariel Swan. I am from Lagree West here in Vancouver, BC. Lagree is a high-intensity, low-impact workout that works your full body. It's done on a megaformer, but today I'm going to be taking the Vessi community through a little 10-minute ab workout that you can be done right in your house, right in your mat. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's get right into it. So make your way down onto your backs. You're just going to start lying down on your backs nice and easy. From here, draw your knees up to tabletop. So you want your knees to be directly over your hips. From here, you're going to take your hands and place your hands on the front of your knees, okay? So not on the tops, on the fronts of those knees. Relax the head, neck, and shoulders and take a full inhale in to the sides and the backs of the lungs. So we take a big breath in. On the exhale, make a shushing sound like you're telling someone to be quiet. Go shh. Start to pull the low abdominals in and then gently press the knees into the hands and the hands press back into the knees. You'll feel a tiny bit of work through those low abs. Let's do that again. Inhale, laterally expand the ribcage out to the side. As you exhale, gently press the hands into the knees, knees back into the hands. You want to be in an imprint spine, nice long back on the mat. Don't tuck the tailbone, just press those hands into their knees. One more breath here, huge full breath in, inhale. As you exhale, can you press a little bit harder, carving out those low abs. Hold it here for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Beautiful. As you inhale, take the right hand and the right leg away from each other. Keep your low back on the mat. Inhale, reach. Keep pressing the left hand and the left leg into each other. Exhale, slowly back it back. Go shh. The shushing breath allows the transverse abdominals to engage. So keep that breath. Inhale, left arm, left leg reaches. Exhale, draw it back. Slower you move, the stronger you are, just like in Lagree. Inhale, reach, reach, reach. Feel like you're getting pulled in 2 directions. Exhale, keep pressing that left hand into the left leg. Right hand attaches. Again, each side. Inhale, we reach. Exhale, start by engaging the core. Squeeze the abdominals, flatten across the low abs. Last one each side, you guys. Inhale to reach. You're doing great. Exhale, slowly back. Shh. Last one, you're doing awesome. Inhale, reach. Beautiful. Exhale, right back up. Shh. Good. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, press the hands into the knees and now curl your upper body up. Interlace the hands behind your head. Make a little basket for your head. Rest the head back. Now inhale, let the upper body come down. Exhale, pull the abs and float the head, neck, and shoulders up. You want to make this harder, just send your knees a little farther away from you. Exhale, shh. Inhale down. And I'm looking for your low abs to draw in and flat, right? So you don't want to arch to the low back. Keep that low back long and imprint. Inhale, you go down. Exhale, shh. Rest the head in the hands. Think of knitting the front of the rib cage in. As you lift head, neck, and shoulders up, look towards your belly. Inhale down. Maybe those knees go an extra inch away from you. Exhale. Hold it here. Pulse for 8, for 7, for 6. You're doing great. It's 5. Keep scooping low abs. 4. It's 3. It's 2. It's 1. Now, squeeze the legs together, reach the hands by your sides. Fingertips reach, knees can stay bent. Start to pump your arms as if you're patting water. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Pull low belly in. You want more, just extend those legs. The lower the legs, the harder this is going to be. Remember, keeping the knees bent is absolutely fine. I want to make sure that you're not lifting your low back. Keep pumping those arms. Exhale, 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 exhale. You feel your head? One hand behind your head. Yeah, you're doing awesome, guys. Here we go. Exhale, 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 exhale. 10. Good, you got 9. Can you lift your head, neck, and shoulders and higher? 7. My abs are starting to work. What about you? At 6. It's 5. Our hands come behind our head for a bicycle in 4. Lift 3 more inches. It's 2. And 1. Interlace the hands behind the head. Bring the right elbow to the left knee. Twist. Switch, twist. Switch, twist. So we're starting to work into those obliques. Twist. And twist. Tap those elbows to knee. Exhale. Use that shh. Now, guys, if this is too much, just bring the feet down and give me a little rock side to side, right? Doesn't matter if those legs are up. Exhale, tap elbow to knee. Now think of rotating through the waistline. Draw the opposite elbow back. You have 8. Switch. You have 7. Switch. How are those abs feeling? 6. Switch. Are you still breathing? 5. Shh. 4. Shh. 3. Shh. 2. Beautiful. Okay, you guys, you're going to hold your right elbow to your left knee. Right elbow to your left knee. Pulse it up. Pulse it up. You want to feel that left side of your waist work. Squeeze. Too much, just bring the sole of that right foot down. Pulse. Try to get it to tap. To tap. You got this. It's 8. Keep pulsing. Lift. It's 7. Are you still breathing? Squeeze. You have 6. So good. You have 5. You're almost there. Lift. You have 4. 3. 2. Now hold it here. Take that right hand on the front of your left knee. Push the hand into the knee and the knee into the hand. Push, 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 push. You have 5. You have 4. You have 3. Lower that bottom leg if you can. Last 2. And 1. Beautiful. Bring yourself all the way up. You're going to come onto your knees. Extend that right leg out to the side. Good. Now grow super tall. Option 1 is hands on your hips. Option 2 is hands to prayer, okay? Option 3, if you want the big challenge, arms goes right over top of your head. Are you ready? From here, start to take the body all the way over. Now, you don't want a big arch in your back. Pull the tailbone underneath you, and now feel the both sides of your waist getting longer. Okay, from here, take the top arm to the sky if you can, and you're gonna take it 1 inch down, squeeze through the side of your waist, 1 inch up, left oblique works, 1 inch down, squeeze 1 inch up. So the more that you squeeze, the more you take your mind into that oblique, the deeper you're gonna feel this, right? No momentum. I'm looking for length in both sides of your waist, okay? Both sides of your waist, squeeze. You wanna make this even harder? Hand can come behind the head, take it down. Take it up, keep squeezing, 3. You're doing awesome. It's 2. Okay, now, if you do have a back injury, you stay right here, okay? You keep pulsing. Without a back injury, take that top arm back to the sky. Take an inhale, reach. As you exhale, take that left arm and take it behind you, twist. Inhale, expand and reach. Exhale, we're over halfway, guys. You're doing great, twist. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Wait, lengthening crown of head away from you. 2 more. Inhale, reach. You should start to feel the side of that waist work, yeah? Twist. Last one, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, keep the twist. Now reach that left arm back. Back, we're working the back side of our oblique, guys, yeah? Twist, 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 twist. You have 3. You have 2. Yes, you have 1. Inhale, reach. Now here's your grand finale. Are you ready? Can you take 1 arm? Yeah? Can you take 2 arms? Hold for 10. For 9. I know, it's 8. It's 7. Can you reach any farther? It's 6. You have 5. 4. I'm shaking. What about you? 3. 2, big squeeze. You're not there yet. You're coming right away into a side plank. Bring that left elbow down, lift the hips up, and hold it right here, okay? You prefer to do this on your hand? No problem. Option 1, you can do this from your knees, okay? Don't be afraid to do anything from your knees. You want to feel the lift of the hips to the sky. Option 2, you're up on those tippy toes. Lift, 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 okay? Option 3, if you're like, Ariel, I got this, hand and leg reach. We're almost there, okay? Lift, 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 lift. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. You got 30 seconds. 30 seconds, lift those hips. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep squeezing. You want a little bit more? Go for that squeeze. Go for that squeeze. Whoo, I can feel that. Can you lift? And lift. You got this. 20 seconds, guys. Lift. And lift. You're so close. Lift. And lift. You get to roll onto your backs. Okay, we're going to go back into that crisscross. Lift. And lift. You have 5. Yes, you can. You have 4. Squeeze. Last 3. Squeeze. Last 2. And 1. Roll yourself right away onto your backs, okay? Right away onto your backs. Back into that crisscross, okay? So tap opposite elbow to knee. Goes twist. Goes twist. We're going to take this on the other side and you're done. Twist. Use that exhale. Twist. And twist. And twist. How we doing, guys? Twist. And twist. Keep pulling those abs in. Exhale. And exhale. And exhale. Now, rotate. Pull the abs and squeeze. It's 3. We're going to hold it. Left elbow right in 2. Hold it here. Left elbow to your right knee. Pulse it up. Pulse it up. You got it. Pulse it up. Now, please don't pull on your neck. Long neck. Pull those abs in. Too much. Left toes tap down. Exhale. Use that beautiful. Exhale. Can you use that lift? That squeeze. You're almost there. It's 5. Lift. It's 4. You're doing so good, guys. It's 3. 2. Now here's the fun part. Left hand on your right knee, push. Keep twisting, push, push, push. 5. You have 4. You're doing amazing. Push, 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 push. Pull those abs and flatten your low belly. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. We're almost there. Bring it all the way up. Now, working through the right side. So take your right leg out to the side. Yeah, hips grow super tall. You got it. Option 1, well, option 1 is hands on your hips, okay? Option 2 is hands behind your head. Option 3 is the savage option right here. Are you ready? Start to take it over. Guys, we got 2 minutes left. That's all you got to do. Are you ready? Here we go. Work nice and hard. Lengthen the crown of your head. Draw your tailbone underneath you. Try to get a nice long line, crown of head to heel, yeah? Now, from here, you just start to take it down an inch. Actively think of closing the space between the rib and the hip on that right side. Remember, we don't want to arch our low back. Draw your tailbone underneath you. Inhale, take it down. Exhale, shh. Inhale, lengthen, take it down. Exhale, shh. Inhale, lengthen, take it down. Exhale, can you relax your shoulders? Good. Inhale, take it down. Exhale. Shh, you're doing amazing, Vessi community. We're almost there. It's 3. Squeeze. It's 2. Shh. Beautiful. Last one. Squeeze. Now here's the fun part. Hold it here. Take that arm to the sky. Right arm reaches. Inhale, extend. Exhale, twist it. Reach it behind you. Thread the needle. Inhale, try to keep your hips square. You're just rotating the rib cage. Rotate the rib cage. Back. Inhale to reach. Exhale, twist. Shh. Inhale to reach. We're almost there. Exhale to twist. Last one. Inhale to reach. Reach, is that a word? Exhale to twist. Take it back. It's working for me too. Reach, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You have 5. You got your side plank final move of this entire thing in 4. Yes, you can. 3, 2. Remember, you got that savage reach first. So reach, hold for 10, for 9, for 8. Can you get longer and stronger? It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right here, guys. Let's finish strong. Bring that right elbow down. Take that top arm to the sky. Hold. Beautiful. Just hold and breathe. Breathe. You can do this. Now, remember, option 1 is always from your knees. There is nothing wrong. Yeah, you feel your hip. Be on your knees. Stay right here with me. Option 2, you're on your toes. Option 3, for all my crazy humans, take that top leg up and you can hold it right here, okay? Option 4, you can take some little lifts and squeezes. Yeah, lift. Now try not to sink into your arm. Lift up. It's only 20 seconds, my friends, and you've got this. Here we go. Squeeze. Connect to that breath. Exhale, lift it up. You got this. Lift and lift and lift. Say, yes, you can. I'm not giving up. In 10, in 9, press the floor away. 8, 7, 6, last 5, reach. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. You are done. Awesome job, you guys. Again, my name is Ariel. I am from Lagree West in Vancouver, BC. Thanks for doing 10 minutes abs with me today. I hope you felt that. I did. Great job, guys. Thanks for being here. Mwah.